Finding the courage to change, honoring the past. I've lived a lot of life. I've made a lot of mistakes. I've hurt a lot of people, usually because of simple misunderstandings. I've also done some good things and touched other lives in a positive way. It's good to look at my past mistakes as learning opportunities. Without the motivation of pain, I couldn't really learn and grow. I'd be like the baby bird that doesn't want to leave the nest. Cheep, cheep, just sitting and not growing. When I can have some gratitude for the learning opportunities, then I can give myself some grace. I can't go back and undo the harm that I've done, but I can make amends. I love the word amend. It comes from the old French amender, to correct, set right, make better, or improve. I can make an effort to set things right. Sometimes it's not possible to really make up for the effects of being a crazy making, dysfunctional person. In those cases, I can focus on making living amends. I can try to be a better person going forward. I can reach out and try to repair broken or strained relationships. I can recognize that we're all doing our best with what we've got. My loved ones do love me, and I can be grateful for their love and support. Part of my living amends is contributing to my community. I can pay it forward and give to others. In this way, I can honor the past and help to heal the future. We're all in this together.